Okay. So shall we start? Okay. Yes, we have go over to another factory company that is Jiangxi Shenghui Optical Technological Laboratory Innovation Corporation. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. I am Casey. From
Hello, sir.
Lighting. So may I have your name, please?
My name is Jimmy.
Sorry, Juvi.
Jun.
Juvi. Juvi, right?
Yeah, yes, Jimmy.
Juvi. Okay. Can you open your camera? I cannot see you now.
No, okay. Hello.
Yeah. I can see you, Juvi. Hello, Juvi. Welcome to participate our live show. So we have 50 minutes to take a view of your company and your products. Could you give us a detail of your company?
My company name is Jiangxi Shenghui Optical Technology Cooperative Innovation Company Limited. Our products is polycarbonate light diffuser sheets and films. We make the PC light diffuser sheets and films since 2010. How is our now our company catalog? This page is our company introduction, and the next page is our company show. Here's our company owners.
Yes, many owners.
Yes. The next page is the testing reports, such as UR94V2, UR94V10, and 5 years anti-UV test reports, and also low switch, TBA, and FDA, and other test reports. The first products we introduced our mono-piece diffuser sheet. The mono-piece diffuser sheet is a high quality company which is produced in dust-free workshop, and it is mostly used for the down lights and the panel lights, the travel lights, high bay.
Yeah.
Another product is we show our customers the 5 years anti-UV products. It's water resistant. It's as pressure as PMMA 5 years, no color change. Now the products we used for the hybrid lights and with 5 years no color change. And the next page we introduced our customer for UL94 with then flaming with detachment. The products used for the metal lights and the airports, and also the public area such as the library and the classroom. Now we introduce our UL94 V2 fire resistance products. We have more than 40 different type diffuser. Our standard size is 1.22 by 2.44 meters. And the next one is UGR below 19 series. It is used for the classroom lighting and also large office lighting. We have 5 different type products and different light transmittance. I will show the products later. Another one is PC Light Diffusion. It's used for the computer display and iPads and cell phone. The other switch, we have three different types: 0.2 millimeters, 0.3, 0.4. The next one, we introduce the PC reflective papers. It's also used for LED lighting, such as side lighting, panel lighting, and it will need the PC reflective paper. Helps our company. Yes. Now I introduce our products. The first one is Lightstrade LDF3580 1000. The light transmittance is around 80%. The thickness is 1 mm, and anti-UV 3 years. Fire resistance is UL94 with 0. The standard size is 1.22 by 1.22 meters and 1.22 by 2.44 meters. The surface is double matte. As you can see, we have put a protective film on this surface so it can protect the diffuser. Another size is a A4 size. And the next one I introduced is the anti-UV 5 years. It means when you use indoor, 5 years no color change, so it can be keep a good shape and excellent performance after you use it with 5 years. It most used for the high bay in the warehouse. The next one I introduce is polish matte surface products. The thickness is 1 mm. 1 mm. As you can see, also company use this one is blue products. Light name is 1058 and 2000s. The thickness is 2 mm. The surface is polished and matte. The standard size is 1.22 by 1.22 meters. And another size is 1.22 by 2.44 meters.
Yes.
Okay. The next one is the new item. Lightning is LDF 0580 and 1200. The light transparency is around 80%. The thickness is 1.2 millimeters. Anti-UV 3 years. Indoor. Fire resistance is UL94 V2. The surface is also polished and the none is matte. I can show you now. This surface is polished. It's like a mirror, as you can see. The another side is matte, so you can see. It's matte surface. You can touch it.
Oh.
So we have different types to meet the customer requirements. If they need the polish, we can make it. Then another one is also. Now I introduce our new products. This new products is used for UGR below 19, such as for the classroom lighting and some office lighting. This new item can be make the UGR below 19. So you can feel your eyes better when you use these lights on the head. This also is the polish service and matte service. Helps our company introduction. So we printing in products service. Our company gets the SGS certificates and also those reach. We will
SGS
make
roles.
the yes, we get the test reports every year. We have the this one is a mirror. It's a mirror glass. It's like a glass. It's transparent. It's transparent. So you can see your head. You can see your like a glass.
Yeah. It's we can see your hand.
Yes. Another one is our normal items. The thickness is 1.5 millimeters. Most of customers they use this item 1.5 millimeters. Used for the panel light, such as library and office lighting, LED panel lighting, and some ceiling lights, down lights. They will choose this one to make the LED lights. This one is milk white color products. As you can see, our office they also use our PC light diffuser. So it's very beautiful. You can see.
Very beautiful. Yes, I can see. Yeah.
So this one is 2 millimeters, as you can see, 2 millimeters thickness. As well, it's most sell for the Europe market, also USA market. They will choose this one to make the LED panel nice and other selling lights, down lights. So this one is very suitable. Now I show another diffusion shoes. Like this one, it's also a product which can be make the UGR below 19. So the thickness is 1 millimeters. The light transparency is 90. It has a great light transparency. So many classroom lighting and also office lighting, they will like it. As you can see, the surface has a microstructure surface. So UGR is used for UGR below 90. So the item name is UGR below 3690 and 1000. The surface is microstructure surface. Here's our company logo.
Yes. So Julia, we know a lot about your product. It's very impressive, very great. So and we can see your effect in your office. It's very great product. Due to the time limit, we have to take a break.
Okay.
Yes. Julia, thank you for your do you have any other thing want to share with us?
No, not now. I show it off.
Show off. Okay. I have a few questions. How about your MOQ and the lead time?
MOQ is around 100 pieces.
100 pieces. Oh, okay. And how about the lead time?
The lead time is around 5 days. If the MOQ is 100 pieces, 5 days is okay. We have enough stock for the normal item. We have all stock now.
Yes. I heard that your product get the SGS and ROS certification. So any other certification have you got?
Yes, we have get the UK TPA file resistance. Now I show you the. Yes, we have for UK market. They need the products which pass the TPA certificate. Yes,
Okay.
and
Yeah.
also Wi-Fi
Perfect.
800
Oh,
50 degree. We have
okay.
also get and also ISO.
That's all.
Yes, and the UL certificate. We all get the certificate. So here's our all certificate we have get now.
Yeah. So where is your main market?
Our main market is Europe and also the North America.
Yes, America.
Yeah, USA and also German, UK, Italy.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Julian. Now, thank you for your detailed introduction. Very impressive.
Okay, see
Thank
you.
you, Julian. See you next
Bye.
time. Bye bye.